English shorthand dictation 80 words per minute. Ready? Start. I have always viewed and continue to view the world as one. I dislike terms which hate a device contention. In current parlance, the world is fragmented into various segments for so far and redivided into east and west and north and south. Why should some consider themselves the first world, and for how long can this first world immunize itself from the ills of the other sections? But fashions in phrases are no less compelling than those in clothes, and in spite of one's better judgment, on cannot always avoid such crises. Para humankind can go physically to the stars, but its mind seems unable to look clearly at the earth itself and the plight to fellow beings. The developing world asks not for but for understanding, not sacrifice, but sharing, not charity, but partnership. To perhaps Porita, this is what blesseth him that gives, and his that takes. Para Britain and India have had a long association. Why share many values? You have mentioned some of them. The British took Indians to different parts of the world, and many went on their own. Wherever they went, they labored hard, regarded that country as their own, gave it their loyalty, and worked for its development. Similarly, they have contributed to the economic well being of Britain and have added a new cultural dimension to British society. The Festival of India, to which you refer and which has just opened, provides the younger generation of this community, along with other Britons, a glimpse of India, the new in the world and the old in the new. Para, you ask me in bracket, or maybe my other neighbor did, bracket close, how one stands up to strain or how one relaxes. My answer was that this was one of the most relaxing functions I have been to, especially when we found a shared love of Mozart and his music. There were other things we found in common, and wherever we go in the world, we find that in spite of all the differences that divide the people who live in different countries, there are always things which unite us and which we can share. It has been India's policy to try and discover those areas where we can share, where we can cooperate. A question has been asked what India thinks of foreign investment in India. I think we have made that very clear while we were weak at the beginning of our independence. We felt we could not afford to allow stronger forces to come in which might overwhelm our own industrialists and therefore our freedom. Full stop.